Hi guys, today's video is a short one. Today I'm making some coconut flour banana bread or cake. It's gluten free, can be enjoyed by kids and adults alike. And also, even if you're diabetic, you can try this recipe. So please stay with me and let's do this. So in my bowl here, I have some banana, ripe banana over ripened banana. I've mashed that. I'm going to add some eggs to it. All the measurements for the recipe will be in the description box for you to reference to whenever you want to replicate this recipe. So once the eggs are well incorporated, I'm going in with some coconut oil. This will enhance the coconut flour I'll be using later on. But if you do not have coconut oil, of course, you can use sunflower oil or olive oil. Or I think you can also use vegetable oil, okay? And then I'm going in with my coconut flour. The recipe for the coconut flour is already on my channel. I'll leave that link in the description box, okay? Here I have some ground flax seeds, some baking soda, and cinnamon. I'm going to add that also into my mixture and then mix everything together beautifully. The flax seeds are very optional, but trust me, they add a ton of nutrients to this recipe. So you'd want to consider adding that. But in place of that, you can also add chia seeds. Grind them before you add them, or else you have a grainy or gritty outcome at the end of it all, okay? Unless you don't mind, that's fine. So now I'm going to grease my baking bowl with a lot more coconut oil and then empty my other bowl into it. So that's the mixture, okay? Take note of the texture, it's a bit runny. That's fine because the coconut flour that we used needs a lot of moisture to ensure that the bread or the cake rather does not become dry in the end. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. So this will go into my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. And when it's out, you can enjoy it with any beverage or porridge of your choice. Trust me, it was gone in minutes. I shot this recipe a while back, and of course, I'm definitely going to retry it. Okay, so I hope you do also. And give me a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment down below, share when you are done watching, and until we meet again, keep blooming.